I travel full-time and I often need new photos and videos, and so I've learned how to take my own pictures. And in today's video I am going to show you what my process is when I take my own pictures. For today I will need some pictures for branding photos for my website, some thumbnails, and I am also going to take some images for social media. So let's get started. So right now I have no makeup, my hair is still wet, so I'm gonna go and transform in a second. I'm also in this beautiful penthouse here in Copenhagen, and if you want to know how I stay in those luxurious places for free, make sure you check out my other channel where I talk about the digital nomad lifestyle. And without further ado, let me take you on my process on how I take my own personal pictures with my iPhone. Now let's go. Okay, we're back. So I finally put some makeup on, did a little bit of my hair, and I also got 3 outfits ready for today's shoot. The things that I use, it's gonna be my phone. So I have an iPhone 11. It's not even a, it's not even cinematics, but it works. I put it on portrait mode, and I will also edit the photos later. And I will also use my camera that I'm filming right now. It's a Canon 750 or TI7. And I use this very basic tripod that you can find on Amazon. I think I paid this 25 bucks. And it came with the little remote, and that's gonna be very useful when I take my photos with my iPhone. I also have a DJI stabilizer that I'm gonna be using for my B-rolls that I'm gonna be doing in the house. And that's it. And I'm gonna leave my link down below with all the information about the filming equipment that I use to do my photos and video, etc. Alright, so the next thing that I do is I go on Pinterest and I create a board of few ideas that I'm looking for my photos for the day. Same thing for YouTube thumbnails. So the way I do my photos for YouTube thumbnails, I either use my phone with the remote and I just click every time I want to take a photo, or I use a timer on my phone as well, or I just film a video and then at the end I'll just cut, pause on each part, and then I take a screenshot of that, and that works well as well, and then I edit it as well. So an example, when I do my thumbnails reaction, it will look something like this. Obviously that depends on the reaction that I'm looking for. So for example, for this one, it might look something like, how do I take my own professional photos? I could just have my laptop here and be like, or have my camera that I can take with me and be like, and then I'll screenshot each of these and I'll edit them and see what fits best for the video. Alright, so now that you know all this, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how I actually do this. Let's go. I'm gonna take these photos with my phone that I have on my tripod, and I'm gonna try to take some shots for my website and some other branding things that I wanna use them for. So let's do this. A quick tip, always face the light so you have good lighting on your face, especially natural light. Here I turned on the lights, but I do have a really good natural light overall in this place. And the other thing is, look at the lens when you take your photos. That can give you a more intimate look, just like right now I'm looking at the lens. If I was looking at the screen, I would look this way. So I think these are important when you want to do a portrait, when you look at people directly in the eyes. So this is just a quick tip. All right, let's do a few more. A little bit of sexiness here, please. Okay, so now we did 2 types of photo. I want to see more with my laptop, so I'm gonna put this right here. Change the shape. So sometimes it's hard because I have the remote in my hand, so when I do some photos I want to make sure it's hidden, If I really want to show my hands, then I'm just going to put it down and use the phone timer to do my photos. But most of the time you can really see it. So if I do something like this, you can really see it. So I'll show you what it looks like. And so while I'm at it, what I'm gonna do also is I am going to film a few B-rolls, the one where I type on my computers, and I'm gonna do horizontal and vertical. That way I can use them in different format for YouTube and for Instagram. So I'm gonna turn this, I'm gonna put it on video, and I think this is good. Stop. So far I'm satisfied with what I have. I did some photos that I wanted with my laptop, a few horizontal and few verticals. I also done a few B-rolls, and I also done some photos for my thumbnails. So the next phase is I'm going to change outfits, and I'm going to change place here in the house. I haven't used my tripod yet. So far I've been using the Gorilla Pod here because I put the camera on the table, and then I've been using my you can see, there we go. I've been using my stabilizer to take the photos with the remote. So let's get to part 2. Okay, so for this one, I am actually going to be doing a B-roll of me walking back and forth, and I'm gonna do it once walking just like that, and the other one I'm gonna do it with my laptop. So let's do it. Okay, that's one, and this, and then that I want to do it again vertical, to the right. Yes, perfect. Okay, now I'm doing this again. And by the way, when I film with my camera right here, I put it on auto so I can track my face, and it's much easier. Okay, and also use your remote for photos but also videos. All right, from here I can use my remote to start filming, and it's filming. There we go. Okay, so now we're on the second look. I want to do some photos sitting down by the couch. So let's see how my phone is reacting to this. So now I'm going to be on portrait mode, and I have my little remote right here. So everything is fine. My laptop there. Okay, let's do this. And then a quick tip for you, it's always good to be on the edge of the screen and then look at the opposite direction and have a more of the space to either your right or your left, but then your body needs to move depending on what is better if I just show you. Okay, now I am going to do the thumbnails. And then if you use your laptop as a photos for a thumbnail, you can actually use the screen on the photo to put an image of whatever you are talking about. Okay, we are done for this. All right, the last take, everybody. All right, so this has been a long day. I ended up only doing 2 change of clothes, but I've done different type of photos, verticals, horizontals, B-rolls, different spot in the house. So I am super excited. I'm gonna get on to the editing and I'll show you the final results. So let's check it out. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me here, and if you want to learn more about my travels as a full-time digital nomad as well as how I make money online, check out my other channel at Salwa Ibaline. This channel focuses more on content for digital entrepreneurs and how to make money online, and I also throw in some tips and hacks about content creation, etc. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. Hop on my other channel if you want to know how I actually film my travel vlogs and all the places I've been in the world, and how you can also travel the world and work online. And today we were here in this beautiful penthouse in Copenhagen where I stayed for free. And how I did that? I house sit. And I have a whole list of videos to explain exactly my process on how I get those luxury properties for free. Until then, see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye from Denmark. Mwah!